I am going to recycle a couple of old jeans and make a skirt. To start, I fold my pants so I can make an even cut. I check that the side seams are straight. Then I cut according to your markings. I have to cut them above my shreds here. If you're making a short skirt like I am, you can reuse the legs to have the fabric in the middle of the skirt. So at the legs I am opening up at the side like this, and then I'm going to show these old jean seams in the middle. So I'm taking a shredder and I'm unpicking this seam. This is going to be some extra work, but I think it's going to look nice. However, on the other side, I'm going to trim away this dark piece. This curved seam in the crotch also needs to be unpicked, but only a short way, only so you can lay the jeans flat. As you see, I'm putting the jeans overlapping on each other, and when you do this you can also adjust the width of the skirt a little bit. And then you need to check out the bottom hem and readjust that. I'm going to reuse the legs at the center piece, but if you want you can use some other colorful fabric. I am using a book in between of the fabrics so it's easy to pin. And then I just lay the fabric under and I make sure that it looks flat and nice, and I pin it in place. Then I'm going to sew in the old seams, in the crotch seam, and then I will make some new seams going across. You sew with a straight stitch, and if you want you can use a needle that is made for sewing in jeans. On the inside you trim away any excess fabric, and also you should zigzag these edges. You should also press your skirt and check the bottom part and zigzag that part also. And now your skirt can be finished, but I have decided that I want to add a trim. I have a different instructional video about that. I also decided to make the skirt a little bit tighter, so I have sewn on the sides, and then I have trimmed away some excess fabric, and I have zigzagged the edges also. So it's important to try on your skirt and decide what do you want. Make sure to visit my Patreon Sew for Kids if you want patterns for a lot of fun sewing projects. If you're going to make a ruffle like I am, you need to measure your skirts, and then you continue on watching my other instructional video about that.